Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Apple Safari with macOS updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Apple Safari on your Mac, you must first begin by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. In the System Settings, look for the Software Update option. Click on a Software Update to check for any available updates. Your Mac will automatically search for the most recent updates. If an update is available, you will see details about what's included. This may involve updates to macOS and Safari. If prompted, click the Update Now button to begin the process. You may need to enter your administrator password to validate the update. The download may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin automatically. Your Mac may restart during the installation process. After your Mac restarts, it will finalize the updates. Once the installation is complete, you can open Safari to ensure it has the latest version. To verify, click on Safari in the menu bar, then select About Safari. A window will appear displaying the version number of Safari you are currently using. You can now enjoy the latest features and improvements in Safari. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.